Looking for a simple, reliable way to connect your SAS controller to multiple SATA drives? This 1-meter Mini SAS to SATA cable is designed exactly for that purpose. It lets you link one SAS or SATA controller to 4 SATA drives without the hassle or expense of complicated setups. Plus, it supports 6 gigabits per second SATA drives, ensuring you get fast, stable data transfers every time. I recently swapped out my old, worn SFF cables with this Mini SAS to SATA cable, and the difference was clear. Installation was straightforward, no fuss, no extra adapters needed. It worked perfectly with my Icy Dock SSD rack, handling multiple drives smoothly and maintaining solid connections. What stood out most was the cost savings compared to other cables on the market, without sacrificing quality or speed. If you're managing a data storage setup and want a dependable, budget-friendly cable that won't let you down, this is worth a look. It's not just about connecting drives, it's about doing it efficiently and confidently. Backed by Startech.com's lifetime warranty, you're covered for the long haul. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your storage connections and enjoy hassle-free performance.